This is the Black Diamond Stoneworks premium quality detergent. This is the 1 quart size and it also comes in a 1 gallon. And you're going to only use 2 to 4 ounces in a load of wash. So you're going to you can get 16 loads out of just this 1 quart size. And it does have a scent that's called Bergamot Breeze. And it actually kind of smells, really reminds you of like when you dry sheets outside in the sun. Real nice fresh scent. It is deep cleaning power, and you can use it on any types of clothes. It cleans really, really well. I was very surprised at how well this did use because I kind of thought, well, it's probably just for delicates, but it's really not. But it is safe for delicates, for linens, lingerie, fine fabrics. And one thing to note too is that it is made in the USA. So go ahead, pick one up and give it a try and let me know what you think of it.